Active learning strategies in the classroom engage students directly in the learning process, promoting better understanding and retention of the material. Here are some effective active learning strategies for the classroom. Peer teaching. Have students explain concepts to each other, reinforcing their understanding. Think, pair, share. Pose a question, ask students to think individually, discuss with a partner, and then share their thoughts with the class. Group discussions. Encourage small group discussions on a topic or problem, followed by sharing insights with the whole class. Concept mapping. Have students create visual representations of ideas, showing relationships between concepts. Problem solving. Present real-world problems and challenges for students to solve individually or in groups. Jigsaw technique. Divide the class into groups, assign each group a different aspect of a topic, and then have them teach their findings to the rest of the class. Peer assessment. Allow students to evaluate each other's work or presentations, promoting critical thinking and self-reflection. Role-playing. Use role-play to simulate historical events, professional scenarios, or social interactions relevant to the subject matter. Gamification. Incorporate game elements or simulations to make learning more engaging. Technology integration. Utilize digital tools, interactive software, or online platforms for collaborative activities and discussions. Gallery walk. Display student work or information around the classroom, and have students move around to view and discuss the content. 1-minute papers. At the end of a class, ask students to write a brief summary of what they learned or any questions they still have. Flipped classroom. Assign readings or videos as homework and use class time for discussions, activities, or problem solving related to the material. Role reversal. Let students take on the role of the teacher by leading discussions, presenting topics,